Financial News Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update, and currently we've got all the indices, with the exception being the transports, trading to the downside. The Dow's off 60 points, the S&P 18, NASDAQ 100 down a little over 1%, 130 points to the downside. Russell's off 8, semis 7. The spot volatility index is up 9 pennies, trading out at 26.95. I believe that I'm not sure if that's below or above the 50-day exponential moving average. We'll look at that. Gold is off 38 bucks. That's down nearly 2%, and nearly 6% to the downside for silver, 23.14. So let's begin by taking a look at, let's look at short term. What should you expect short term? What has the move lower this morning meant to us? Not much. Now, what does Stevie mean by that? Well, if we really take a look at what's transpired, here is the ES Mini out here, and we'll see that price was pulling back. As it was pulling back, it was pulling right back into a breakout level of support. A natural thing for a bull market to do, whatever time frame it is you're looking at, is to pull back, test support, reject it, continue to move higher, pull back to the breakout level. Likewise, it's just the opposite when markets are moving to the downside. Counter trend rallies should end at resistance. Where's resistance inside the ES Mini? Well, right now there's a couple different levels. First level would be Stevie's red line. That's at 32.94. If price closes above that, you can expect the ES Mini to move up to 33.04. Above 33.04, 33.18 is the number. But this made a valid TD9 count bottom above breakout support. So let's see what happens as price and Stevie's red line catch up to each other. That will give us our next signal out there with regard to the ES Mini. Staying with the ES Mini, as long as we've got another 30 seconds or so out here, there is a new profile that is attempting to form. The bottom of that profile is 32.58. What is also sitting around 32.58, it's at 32.59, is the bottom of the weekly profile. So what we know right now, first, it's a new profile attempting to form. Profile, folks, nothing more than where our buyers, that's support, bottom of the box, sellers, top of the box, and where do buyers and sellers believe there's fair value with inside that range out here? We've got very strong support at that 32.58 area. Close below that, well, that could be a signal of curtains to the downside for the market, because you'd have both the ES on the daily and the weekly below support. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. If you're off to start your Wednesday, have a wonderful one. You know I'd be able to figure that out. And we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.